Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if any HP LaserJet printer is printing blank pages. We are going to use the admin interface of your printer, and to get there you need a pin code. To find this pin code, open the scanning unit like this until it locks into place, and here you can find the product label. Write down this pin code and memorize your username, it's admin. Next, open HP Smart application on your smartphone or computer and wait for supply level to appear next to the printer. Make sure the supply level is sufficient, otherwise you need just to replace the cartridge. So if everything is okay with supplies, tap on your printer's tile and scroll down to find Advanced Settings. Tap on Advanced Settings. Next, tap on three bars at the top right and select System. Go to Service, enter your username, it's admin. Next, enter your password. Sign in as administrator and run cartridge cleaning mode. Tap on Start and keep in mind that it takes about 1 to 3 minutes. So tap on Start and just wait. When your printer stops making any sounds, it means the cartridge cleaning is finished. You can press OK to go back to the service page. And by the way, you can close your browser now, go back to HP Smart application, tap on this back arrow, go to Print Documents and try to print something. Allow access to gallery. If the page is still blank, go back to the service menu, to your web browser, and repeat the cartridge cleaning. If the problem persists, try to update the printer's firmware. To do this, tap on three bars in this menu, go to System, and this time select Administration. It's loading. Now scroll down and find Printer Updates. Tap on Check Now and check this checkbox to install updates automatically. Now check for updates. If updates are available, just install updates and try to print something again. And a couple more tips: try to unplug your printer from the power source and after 1 minute plug it in back again, power on, and try to print something. If that didn't help, as a last resort you can hard reset your printer. To do this, make sure that your screen is enabled, and if it's disabled, just press any button to wake it up, and then press and hold Wi-Fi button and cancel button together until the power indicator and the warning indicator to start blinking together like this. And then release these two buttons. Your printer will be reset to factory settings. You have to set up it from scratch, but this may solve your problem. And if nothing helps, if the printer keeps printing blank pages even after the cartridge replacement, the best option is to contact HP customer support or service center. So guys, that's it. I hope it was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next video.